Hello everyone. Welcome to the second chapter of C++. In this video, we are going to learn tokens. So, let's start the second chapter of C++. In this chapter we will learn about character sets, tokens and their types, identifiers and keywords. So, the first one is, what are character sets in C++? Character sets are sets of words, digits, symbols and operators. Whatever we write in a program is a collection of character sets. Basically, character sets are of four types. 1. Letters, means alphabets, capital A to Z and small a to Z. 2. Digits, means numbers 0 to 9. 3. Special characters, means all the symbols on keyboard. 4. White spaces, means spacebar, tabs, enter etc. Now we will see, what are tokens? Whenever we write a program, we see that every individual unit is separated by space. So, all those individual units are known as tokens. For example, int a equals 20. Here int is a token, a is a token, equal to is a token, and 20 is a token. Now, we will see types of tokens. Basically, tokens are of 6 types. 1. Keywords. 2. Identifiers. 3. Constants. 4. Strings. 5. Special symbols. 6. Operators. We will learn all these types of token one by one in details. Now, the first one is keywords. Keywords are the words which convey special meaning to the compiler. These are reserved words which are inbuilt in the compiler. These cannot be used as a variable name. There are 32 keywords in C++. These are auto, break, case, char, const, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, goto, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, sizeof, static, struct, switch, typedef, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. We will learn about these keywords later. Next one is identifier. Identifiers are the building blocks of a C++ program. These are the names given to variables, structure, array, etc. So, there are conventions in writing identifiers name, which are 1. Identifier name is a combination of alphabets, digits, and underscore only. 2. First letter must be an alphabet or underscore. 3. It should not start with any digit. For example, 0xyz is a wrong identifier name. However, we can write xyz or underscore xyz. 4. C++ is case sensitive. So, it treats uppercase and lowercase, two different identifiers. For example, ABC and ABC are two different identifiers. 5. Identifiers' name should not match with keywords. For example, we cannot use int, char, double as an identifier name. However, we can use them as int, char, double. 6. It can be of any length. While naming any identifiers, we must keep in mind the above points.
This is all for this video. I hope you understood each and everything. Please drop your queries in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to learn more, please hit subscribe button. For now, this is Easy++, signing out.